eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, for this vlog I'm gonna be super blushy, kissable lip. And if you wanna know how I get the look, then please stay tuned. And let's begin. For base, as usual, I'm gonna use the Face Shop Air Cotton Makeup Base and it's their mint. I'm just gonna place that to my face. For foundation, I'm using my Essence Fresh and Fit Awake Healthy Glow Fresh Honey. I'm just gonna do a double layer on that certain area that I want to cover just a little bit, just little. And for concealer, I'm gonna use my Maybelline New York Fit Me concealer in shade 20. I'm just gonna split that to the highest point of my face. Just kidding. Then blend. Whew. And for the powder, I'm gonna use my Maybelline New York Fit Me Matte Plus Poreless powder in natural beige or 220. Just gonna lightly dust it to my whole face and also blend it to my neck. For brow, I'm gonna use my Essence Eyebrow Designer Pencil in black. Lately I've been doing this, thick brows. And then after that, I'm gonna fill them in with powder, the Essence Eyebrow Stylist Set in Natural Brunette. Just gonna place it to the top of the eyebrow pencil that we did. For setting my eyelids, I'm gonna use my Essence I.L.F Nude Single Eyeshadow in shade Vanilla Sugar 01. I'm just placing it to all over my eyelids and also to my under eye and to the bridge of my nose to brighten a little bit more. For the eye, I'm going to use my Essence Matte Touch Blush in shade Pitch Me Up. I'm just going to use a fluffy brush to place that to all over my lid, also to my lower lash line. Just blend it and then go back, and then I'm going to use this brush through my lower lash line. And then I'm gonna use a small stippling brush to even pack the shade and then blend it again. And for the inner part of my eyelid, I'm gonna use my I.L.F Nude Single Eyeshadow from Essence, and it's the shade Creme Brulee, and just placing that to my inner part of my eyelid and also to my brow bone and to my inner corner of my eye. For eyeliner, I'm gonna use my Essence Liquid Ink Liner in black. I'm just gonna do a typical little cat eye that I always do. For mascara, I'm gonna use I.L.F Extreme Crazy Mascara from Essence. I'm just gonna pack this mascara very heavily to my lash line, I mean, it's not the best mascara there is, but this is the particular that I always use for today. Okay, and then I'm gonna use my long-lasting eyeliner in shade Say Highlight from Essence. I'm just gonna pop that to my waterline. I'm gonna put that to my tight line to really open up my eyes. And for the lashes, I'm using Daiso Cosmetic lashes, and it's the style number C08. For the bronzer, I'm gonna use my Pretty Compact powder and the shade Bronze Beige from Flormar. Just bronze my face. And for blush, I'm gonna take the Pitch Me Up blush that I use for my eye shade. Just gonna pack this very heavily to my cheekbones and also blending outward to my hairline, and also placing some of my nose. For contouring my nose, I'm gonna use the bronze beige that I use for my bronzer. Contour my nose, even though it kind of a little bit sloppy. I'm just gonna blend it with the fluffy brush. For the highlight, I'm gonna use my E.L.F. Cosmetic Baked Highlight in Gems. Just gonna place that to my high points of my face. Also to my bridge of the nose and tip of my nose, and also my inner tear duct. And for setting my eyebrows, I'm kinda using a mascara for this. I'm gonna use my Volume Stylist Lash Extension Mascara from Essence. The reason I like this because the brush is kind of really small, thin, so it's gonna really tug into the hairline. For the lipstick, I'm gonna use my moisturizing lipstick Razzle Dazzle Red from E.L.F. Cosmetic. Dab the lipstick just to my to my center of my lips. I'm just gonna buff it with my ring finger to get that, visible plump lip. I'm gonna dab a sponge to it that has a foundation to it to soften the edges, and then I'm gonna highlight my Cupid's bow with my E.L.F. highlight. And this is how I create this soft, blushy, kind of, flirty thingy. I don't know how to describe it. So bad at expressing it. I don't know what I'm saying. Anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.